You tried to hit him or kiss him? Come on, Matt. You can do it. There you go. There! You hit him. All right. Good job, Matt. Yeehaw! You hit somebody, all right. There you go. That's how you hit him, buddy. Nice job. Oh, you missed him. Oh, well. Nice hit there, Matt. Good hit. Now that's how you hit him there. Uh-oh. I think you're stuck. Hate when that happens. You know, I heard of this happening like teenagers, like with the braces, you know? Like two kids were kissing and like they got stuck with their braces. It looks kind of the same here. I don't know. You guys are like, I didn't know Derby, I didn't know you big Derby, Demolition Derby guys. Yeah, you kind of stuck there, dude. Well, there's always round number 2. Let's see what you got for that one. Well, come on. You can get out of the car now. I think it's about, there you go. Oh, baby, go. You got him. Nice. Well, I think I'm just going to hush for a couple and let's just see. We'll let Matt take the wheel here and see what he does. you're just going in circles again, Matt. Come on, you gotta hit somebody. You can do it, dude. Come on. You're just driving in more circles. Oh no. Come on, Matt, step on it. Come on, you're getting him. Come on. You kind of like chasing your own tail. Oh, there you go, baby. No. Come on, come on, come on. You can do it. Turn, baby, turn. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Wow. Oh, there you go. Yeehaw, good job. I do believe you just made that into a fastback there, Matt. Or a slantback. It's a fastback or a slantback. I don't know. Pretty close. Yeah, one more. There you go. Yep. Maybe not. Let's see what happens here. Winner, chicken dinner. Congratulations, Matt. His company's M&M Diesel out in Prescott Valley over there. And good job, buddy. Congratulations on that. You deserve it. That was a hard-fought win there. Sounds good. Got lots more coming, guys. A lot more car show and derby stuff. All right. Awesome job, buddy.
Thank you. You're good. It's a little bent up.
A little Bondo will fix it.
A little Bondo, a little hard work. Should be good again.
Nice job.